welcome to the Cook's Cottage. I'm so excited to welcome you into my home today. Today we're going to be creating this cozy space in my master bedroom that you see behind me. And I just want to start off by saying I am not an interior designer. I'm just a mom that loves creating cozy spaces all throughout my home. I always try to use pieces that I already have around the house too, or if I can get my hands on a good item from the thrift store or something secondhand from family. I always try to go that route first before just jumping the gun and going crazy with buying new things. So everything you see behind me was actually pulled from other pieces of our house. So this is what the space currently looks like. I love this dresser, but it just darkens up this corner so much. It makes it feel so small in here. This dresser has actually been in my bedroom since I lived back home with my parents. It's such a beautiful piece, and I do plan on painting it and adding some new hardware to use in my daughter's bedroom. So first things first with this space, this area was in desperate need of a deep clean. I had a vision for this corner, and my mindset when it came to this space was like functional meets cozy. I have a 2-month-old baby that sleeps in a bassinet in our room. Since he does get rocked to sleep at night, I knew I wanted to incorporate his rocking chair into this space, so I made that the focal point. I cozied up this space with a blanket and a pillow. Lastly, lighting is everything. So I love how much light that this big window gives off, but in the evenings, that cozy, warm fireplace and this lamp make a world of difference. If you're having a hard time finding items around your house, I strongly encourage looking at Facebook Marketplace before shopping around. So I feel like I need to give just a little bit of a background of our home. We moved in here about 3 years ago now. Yeah. And we remodeled this entire home ourselves with the help of our family. We took it down to the concrete slab and we had studs on the walls. We removed some walls out in other parts of the house. But yeah, we renovated this entire house ourselves. If you guys want to see more of those clips, I actually did record our renovation process, so I could definitely put a video together if that's something you guys want to see. But yeah, it's been 3 years now of us renovating this home, so creating these cozy little spaces is still something that I am doing pretty much daily. I do have some pictures of when the previous owner was still living here. We got to do a walkthrough of the home, so you can see a before of what this corner did look like. That's kind of fun to see, you know, how much it's changed and how far we've come with this renovation. Pieces that have history to them. So the clock that you guys see on top of the fireplace is actually set to the time that we had our first kiss on our wedding day. And this stool you see has been passed down 4 generations in my family. Thank you guys for coming along to watch me create this cozy corner in my master bedroom. If you guys like this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I can definitely make more like it. If you guys have any suggestions of videos you'd like, just let me know down in the comment section. Otherwise, I look forward to hanging out with you guys again in the next video. Bye.